Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 20th of February, 2024. Domestic benchmark indices logged their sixth straight day of gains on February 20th, reaching fresh record highs. Banks and financial services saw heavy buying, thereby lifting Sensex and Nifty. The 30-share flagship Sensex settled 349.24 points, or 0.48% higher to 73,057.40, and Nifty added 74.70 points, or 0.34% higher to 22,196.95. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Power Grid Corp, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, while losers were Hero MotoCorp, Coal India, Bajaj Auto. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Zee Entertainment Enterprises gained over 9% on the NSE on February 20th on reports that Zee and Sony Pictures Networks, India, were working on another attempt to revive the mega merger deal. On February 20th, the Economic Times reported that Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited were aiming to revive their $10 billion merger that was called off on January 22nd. According to the report, meetings have taken place over the last fortnight to salvage the deal. Money Control couldn't independently verify the details of the report. The report further added that Zee is expected to inform Sony in the next 24 to 48 hours if it's willing to accept the terms and conditions. Shares of Federal Bank fell over 6% to hit an intraday low of 149.15 rupees on the NSE in early deals on February 20th. The slump in trade follows larger private sector lender Kotak Mahindra Bank has redesignating KVS Manian as the joint managing director. Manian was reportedly being considered by Federal Bank to succeed Shyam Srinivasan as the managing director and chief executive officer. On February 15th, CNBC TV18 had reported, citing unidentified sources, that Federal Bank has shortlisted 2 internal candidates, along with Kotak Mahindra Bank's Manian for the corner office. Shares of Minda Corporation Limited traded higher by 5.4% to 449 rupees in morning trade on February 20th after Kotak Mutual Fund and Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund bought 324.96 rupees crore worth of equity stake in the company. This comes after investor Bella Ugawal offloaded her entire 108.50 shares or 4.53% stake in the company at an average price of 403 rupees, valuing the deal at 437.28 rupees crore. His stock has gained 25% on the bourses in the last 3 months. Shares of DEEPAK Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation rose 5% on February 20th after the company entered into a long-term supply agreement for liquefied natural gas with Norway-based Equinor. This agreement is for annual supplies of up to 0.65 million tons for 15 years, beginning 2026. The tie-up provides room for trading some LNG parcels in the growing LNG demands in India, as well as accommodating DFPCL's growing captive needs. The LNG will be delivered to the west coast of India. PAYTM shares stayed in the green with a 5% rise on February 20th after founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma assured that its QR code and soundbox facilities will continue to work even after the March 15th deadline set by the Reserve Bank of India for the strict restrictions it has slapped on the bank. PAYTM QR, soundbox and EDC e-card machine will continue to work like always, even after March 15th. The latest FAQ issued by RBI on point number 21 clarifies it unambiguously. Do not fall for any rumor or let anyone deter you to championing Digital India, Sharma wrote on X, formerly Twitter. Sheetal Cool Products Limited in daily time frame is trading around 447.15 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 555.829 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 363.06, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.55. Irolam Limited in daily time frame is trading around 190.30 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 724.182 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 160.12, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.03. Precision Metallics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 62.45 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 716,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 52.60, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.08. For the stock recommendation we have, Jubilant Foodworks Limited looks good and can be bought at 508 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 491 rupees and a target of 524 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.